Hey guys, welcome to my channel Dishing with Naan and Jelly. I'm Anjali. I've been in America for many years and I wanted to share my stories. All my stories pretty much start with food because I love food. I love the ancient old recipes that have been passed on through generations from my family. So I wanted to share them with you as well as my family eventually.
My favorite all-time vegetable. So the way I like it is, I've just washed it. I have not dried it. There are a couple of methods of making this, but this is my method. I've not dried this okra and I like it crispy. So snap off the end, and if it just comes off easily and snaps off easily, that's when you know the okra is going to be crisp. So I'm going to do that to each one of these pieces and chop them in about 1/2 inch wide pieces. The chopped up okra, I have added turmeric powder, about 1.5 teaspoons. Same thing with chili powder, red chili powder, asafoetida powder. I've salted the whole dish and added about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I've used full fat yogurt. You can use any kind of plain yogurt. Just adds a little bit of sourness. And we're gonna toss this together. Pieces are really well coated in the spices and yogurt. Each piece should be, and we're gonna let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before we start heavy bottom pan. I'm just added some canola oil, about 3 tablespoons. Okra does love oil, so keep that in mind, and we need that much oil to really make the dish come together eventually. So to this I will be adding some mustard seeds and allow it to hear the mustard seeds splutter. To this we're going to add a few leaves of washed curry leaves. Lid it up, dropped in all the okra. So take a wide enough pan so you have room for the okra to cook down, as well as stir. So stir gently, and what we're going to allow it to do is cook down for a while. So don't lid it. It has enough moisture in it, so you just want to allow it to cook down really nicely on low heat. Finished okra product. How it comes together.